Hello and welcome to Analytics India magazine. I'm Debulina and here are the top stories from the tech ecosystem in India. Intel has recently launched Intel Unnati program, an initiative to help equip engineering students in the country with industry-relevant data-centric skills. Through the program, Intel aims to set up 100 Intel Unnati data-centric labs over the next year across universities and engineering institutions in the country. Intel says that the initiative will provide the country's higher educational institutions with long-term technology and lab infrastructure capabilities, enabling a greater focus on research and innovation. At present, the labs are available for artificial intelligence, FPGA solutions, and artificial intelligence Internet of Things, with multiple other technologies in the pipeline, which include smart mobility and security. Microsoft has released its Q1 2022 earnings report and the company has surpassed its revenue and EPS expectations. Microsoft reported a revenue of $45.3 billion and this 22% jump from last year can be attributed to Microsoft Cloud. Microsoft's cloud business is the company's most important segment and it drives up the tech giant's market share well over $2 trillion. Google has partnered with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology's Startup Hub to launch a growth and development program called the AppScale Academy. The program is aimed at helping emerging startups from Tier 2 and 3 cities across domains of gaming, healthcare, fintech, edtech, and social impact, among others. The 6-month-long program is meant to accommodate up to 100 startups and cover topics including app quality, Go Global growth, app design, Google Play policy, and data safety best practices. The School of Artificial Intelligence at IIT Delhi has launched a new postgraduate program on AI, MTech in Machine Learning and Data Science. The flagship program for the institute is scheduled to commence from July 2022. The program is industry-sponsored and students will be expected to work on industry-relevant artificial intelligence problems. All students with an undergraduate degree in science and engineering will be eligible to take the course. NVIDIA has announced that it will be delivering a suite of perception technologies for the Robotic Working System or ROS developer community. Additionally, the company has said that ISAC, its developer toolbox for supporting artificial intelligence-powered robotics, will deepen assistance for the ROS. NVIDIA says that these initiatives will reduce development time and improve performance for developers seeking to incorporate cutting-edge computer vision and artificial intelligence machine learning functionality into their ROS-based robotic applications. End-to-end space engineering solutions provider Dhruva Space has raised Rs 22 crore in a funding round led by IAN Fund and Blue Ashwa Capital. The startup is gearing up to launch new offerings including satellite as a service, space-grade solar arrays, and ground station solutions both nationally and globally. Headquartered in Hyderabad and Austria, the company is already executing orders worth several $1 million and is well set to expand its client base to other key locations including the US and the Middle East. That's all from the analytics ecosystem this week. For more updates from the AI space, stay tuned.